What's up everyone, and welcome to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to get real free AI API keys, real explanation and safer methods. So first, let's clear something up. There is no unlimited free API key for all models. Most platforms either give free tiers or credits, or provide built-in free models without needing your own key. So, OpenCode. It's a free open-source AI coding tool, supports 75 plus AI providers like Claude, GPT, etc. You can use free built-in models, no API key needed, or connect your own API keys. So firstly, inside OpenCode, no sign up, no credit, just pick a free model, and it's better to sign up to access all the features. For example, you can get Minimax, Gwen, and Morton sometimes. These are rotating free models, meaning they can change anytime. Firstly, go to OpenCode website. Sign up for a quick account using Google or GitHub. Now, when you land on the dashboard, go to API Keys section. Click Create Key. Then give it a name. Now copy your key and paste it into OpenCode config. Many providers give free credits or limited daily requests. You can access tools like Claude, Opus, Claude Sonnet, and Minimax, but still require either credits or a platform that provides temporary access. So use a mix: OpenCode free models for daily use, free tier API providers for testing, and local models which is optional for unlimited usage. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.